Okay, what's up YouTube? This is the unboxing of the iPad mini Retina display. I think I'm gonna link this with that vlog I did at the place where I bought it. And here it is. Well, it's sort of unboxing. I set it up at the Apple Store, and here we go. Look at that. Wait, oops. Gravity opens it. I put the wrap back on, but hopefully, let's see. That's the iPad, the black space gray. Okay. And let's take a look. I've got it set up. Okay. Sorry about that. So it's got iLife, iWorks all set up on there. Let me get closer to this. Let's look at the box. Um, here we've got the charger. Haven't opened that yet. And some stickers, I guess. And the cable, lightning bolt. Okay. So that's that. And as you can see, 16 gigabytes iPad mini with Retina display. Okay. And it's got Siri. Hi Siri. Greetings. Okay. That's greetings to you too, Siri. And as you can see, we've got a Retina display. That means the pixel density is so high that your eyes can't even pick them up. So hope that's enjoyable. And it's got, let's see what it's got. It's got iPad mini. It's got these volume rockers and a lock screen or mute screen, a sleep button, microphones, headphone jack, camera, and lightning bolt connector, stereo speakers, two of them instead of one, and the back has this type material. Like they used to make it out of plastic so that the antenna could get into it, but now they make it out of, seems like a shiny, very shiny material. I'm not sure if it's plastic or not. And hopefully I think they designed it so the antenna can still get through. And here we go. Here's some stuff, and like let's check out GarageBand. Um, let's see, select. It says no songs. Okay. Like drums. Let's say I wanted to put drums on a song. No song. I heard the guitar is pretty cool. Okay. Let's check out the guitar, like hard rock. Oh, I can't hear it. So that's pretty cool. I never played with that before. And let's go back. And well, I don't want to do that anymore. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. Like I played around with iMovie before. It's pretty cool. This thing's like lightning fast. It's like very fast. Everything loads like really fast. Um, if you wanted to check out what kind of trailers they've got all these trailers. Adrenaline, Bollywood, Coming of Age, Expedition, Fairy Tale, Family, Indie, Narrative, Retro, Romance, Scary, Superheroes, Swashbuckling, and Teen. Okay, so let's get out of that. That's pretty cool. I like to play with those on my channel. And, let's see. What else? Like, I never played with Keynote before. Keynote's pretty cool. Where's Keynote? Keynote. Keynote's right here. I want to check that out. Continue. You got stunning animations. What's that mean? So I wanted to add something. Yeah, like I never did this before. So I guess you put photos in there and then it like makes a presentation. Okay, so that's the first time I ever did Keynote. I've owned Macs before, but I never had Keynote before. I never had any of the iWorks. So let's check out Pages. What's Pages like? I heard it's like a spreadsheet. What is Pages? What is this Pages? I forget. So they give you some. It's like a. Looks like a. Some kind of document maker, like a flyer and stuff. Or kind of. This is a school report. Like if you want to. Um. Like get a grade at school and try to get a good grade, you would do this. So, was that Pages? Okay, that was Pages, I think. Now Numbers. So that wasn't the spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet, and so let's see what they got. Um, let's see this schedule. There's the box again. iPad mini. Just says iPad mini. Retina display. Okay, here's a daily schedule spreadsheet. So that's numbers. So they got four iWork stuff: numbers, pages, and Keynote. What's what's the other one? Numbers, pages, keynotes. I'm gonna look it up. Yeah, it's very fast. I'll search iWork. Yeah, they got keynote, numbers, and pages. And that is all they have. Keynote, numbers, pages. That's it.